have just opened this Forky and Duke Caboom product. I'm really impressed by the packaging. It looks really impressive. The Duke Caboom is approximately 18 centimeters tall, so Forky's just going to be a little bit smaller than that, just to give you an idea of the size. They're very true to their appearance in the film, and the product is suitable for children over 3. So we're just going to have a look at the back, and you can see other Toy Story characters there. It's got really nice packaging. This product is ideal for any Toy Story fan, and it's a perfect gift, really. So this Forky and Duke Caboom toy is officially licensed. You can see Disney Pixar here at the top, and the product is made by Mattel, who are one of the top toy manufacturers in the world. So it's a premium quality product. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, you can click through to our website on the link below, and there'll be more images and more information about the toy. And if you're already on our website, then hopefully this video has given you a little bit more information about the product.